Happy New Year from the team at Echo Electric. We hope you have a splendid 2023. Aptera Motors just shared a video showcasing the parts and design of their Delta vehicle, which will be worked on immediately before manufacturing begins. Let's get into it. Hi, this is Echo Electric, where we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost 2 siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Aptera's Delta vehicle design is intended for manufacturing. Aptera represents the culmination of the continual advances achieved during the alpha, beta, and gamma development periods. Aptera claims that this is significant since Delta will pave the way for the launch edition Aptera, the company's first and most unique vehicle. In 2023, the Aptera team will commence system integration and the construction of numerous Delta vehicles. These cars will be validated and crash tested. Aptera will commence manufacture of its launch edition vehicles after the crash testing and validation stages are completed. These are the vehicles that will be sold to customers. Aptera has already released their 2022 year-end report. Aptera will further display its production intent design and disclose the launch edition's unique features and groundbreaking capabilities in a live stream webinar on January 20, 2023. Aptera invites you to attend the worldwide reveal, where they will describe the essential technologies that will make your solar electric ambitions a reality, as well as the methods they are implementing to make solar mobility a reality for all. This design unveiling is a significant step forward for this company and their ambitious 1,000-mile range 3-wheel EV project. Because no one is doing it, it is up to them to make it work. Let's take a quick look at Aptera's manufacturing. One thing observed about this design is that it requires a lot of pieces to function properly. At first, many different frame pieces come together. They don't appear to be using gigacastings. Then you have the sections for the tires and more pieces for the sides, top and bottom. Then there are more parts for the sides, top and bottom of the car, and lastly the doors. The truck appears to be painted with the solar panels and tires attached. There's a huge rear storage room, which is quite convenient. Back there, you may camp, store pets, or store a lot of bags. That's rather remarkable. When you personalize the vehicle on Aptera's website, you could add a variety of add-ons. Aptera has over 38,000 reservations for their efficient EV, and if they can find a method to scale up manufacturing and lower the cost of their vehicles, I believe we'll see a lot more of them on the road. What are your thoughts on Aptera's Delta design? Is Aptera going to be successful? I certainly hope so. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this coming in the future. And if you feel touched to contribute to Lewin's treatment, don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page in the description below. Thank you, and thanks for watching.